Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making Victoria sponge cake. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy! Ingredients: 175 grams of softened butter, 175 grams caster sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 175 grams self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. First step is to add your butter and sugar into a mixing bowl. Then stir slowly, adding 1 egg at a time, mixing well in between. Get a spatula and scrape the edges to make sure everything is mixed. After that, get your baking powder and add 1 tsp into the flour. Then pour into a mixing bowl. Then mix. Then get your spatula and scrape the edges again. Divide your mixture into 2 even tins. Don't forget to put baking paper at the bottom so that the sponge doesn't stick. Then put into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Now we can do the icing for the middle of the cake. Mix your butter and icing sugar into a bowl. Make sure your cake is cooked by inserting a sewer, and if it has just a few moist crumbs, your cake is ready. Spread jam on one side and your icing on the other. Here is the final product.